Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix app icons are not loading on Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11, if you're facing the issue that on your taskbar or in your Windows search section here, your app icons are not showing like this. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to simply open your task manager. Just go to search and here to search for task manager. Open it. Now, once you are in Task Manager, you just have to go to Details option over here and just locate Explorer.exe. Right click on it and click on Restart. Now, once you have restarted, it will completely refresh your desktop, your taskbar, and your Windows search section from here. So, once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to go to this section here and just locate the app of which icon is missing, like let's say like this. You just have to right click on it and click on remove from list. Just do the same thing with another one. Once I've done, unpin it from here and just retry to pin the same app here. Right click on it and click on pin to start. So I will repin to start, and this time it will have its original app icon. Or if it's still not working for you, so simply go to settings app here and just scroll down, go to Windows Update section, and you just have to make sure that your Windows might have an pending update. If you find, just try to update your Windows, and after updating, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.